What's the meaning of business card? Business card. Business card.
Business card. Business card. A business card is a small card that contains contact information for an individual or a company. It typically includes the person's name, job title, phone number, email address, and company name and logo. Business cards are often exchanged during professional networking events or meetings as a way to introduce oneself and facilitate future communication. They serve as a convenient and tangible reminder of who someone is and how to get in touch with them. In short, a business card is a vital tool for establishing and maintaining professional relationships.